codes. And the first code we have is a generic cylinder number 2 misfire, which I believe we've corrected that. So we're going to back up and check the second code.
I think it's touchscreen. Use the arrows.
Oh, it is the arrows. All right, so then the other one is cylinder misfire detected. Let's read those codes one more time. I want to go down to the second code, and no fault codes detected. And so we're going to erase the codes. And we've got engine on. All right, so now we're going to start the engine. Now, because the tool's connected, the light will stay on.
It just went off.
Oh, it did go off. So we should be able to read the codes now and have no codes. This tool is pretty handy. This is a random code from the past that says there was a cylinder misfire detected. It's because it's under the emission category, it won't let me permanently remove it. But it is removed enough for the light to go out. And so to prove that, we'll just completely disconnect our tool and key off, and we'll start the car. And within 4 seconds, the light should go out. And there, it's out. No check engine light anymore. Short of a road test to verify, this car should be fixed. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm going to put a link to everything we used in the video. And if you happen to purchase the items, I get a 5% commission, and that's what keeps me going on the videos. Also, I need about 1,000 more subscribers to meet the new YouTube monetization regulations. So if you can subscribe and get a friend in to watch the videos, if they like them, they can subscribe. And we had a 3-year pause on videos because I was ill, but I'm back and I'll be making regular videos for you. Thanks for watching. This is on the launch code reader 8021, and I'll put a connection to buy that. All right, thank you very much.